Now let's go ahead solve a problem about calculating the enthalpy change. We have here used the following experimental data to determine the enthalpy change when 1 mole of propane 1-ol is burned. What's meant by propane 1-ol is burned? So we will calculate the delta H combustion. What does it mean by delta H combustion? We have delta H is equal to negative Q over N. What is Q? Is M C delta T over N. Why we are using negative sign here? Because combustion reaction is always exothermic reaction. Let's check our variables. We have what is the mass. As we agreed before, the mass should be for the substance affected by heat. What's the substance affected by heat? It is for water, so it is 200 grams. C for water is always given 4.18. You can find it in the data booklet as well. You don't have to memorize it. It's not recommended to memorize it because many students are writing it 4.81 instead of 4.18. So just copy it from the data booklet. What is delta T? Is the difference in the temperature or temperature change. So you have here 38.6 minus 18.2. So the answer should be delta T should be 20.4 degrees Celsius. So MEC delta T, what is N? As we agreed before, N is for the source of heat. What's the source of heat? Is propane 1-ol. What is propane 1-ol? We have propane 1-ol is C3H7OH. Okay, let's go ahead. Calculate number of moles. Number of moles equal to mass over molar mass. What is the mass of the alcohol burned? It is from the initial mass of the spirit burner and the final mass of spirit burner. So the mass should be 185.51 minus 184.56. This should be the mass difference. And the molar mass for C3H7OH, we have 3 carbons. So let's say that carbon is 12. You can copy it from the data booklet directly. Plus, we have 8 hydrogens, 8 by 1, plus 16. Okay, it's always recommended to copy the molar masses directly from the data booklet. Don't just memorize it. No, use it directly from the data booklet in order not to make any mistake. If you put that in, if you put those numbers in the calculator, you should be given the number of moles, which should equal to 0.0158 moles. Okay. So we have here MEC delta T over N. If you put all those numbers in the calculator, you should be given delta H. Take care, it's always negative, so we have to care about putting the negative sign. When you put those numbers in the calculator, you will get 1,1,0,0,0,0. Why? Because the answer is in joule per mole. To get it in kilojoule, we can just divide it by 1,000, so it will be negative 1,100 kilojoule per mole. Okay, this is for calculating the enthalpy of combustion for propane 1-ol.